In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign document generation. How to create a perfect document every time, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through building a reliable, reusable template so your documents assemble themselves with the right data, logic, and formatting every single time. All you need is your Docusign account and a .docx version of the document you want to automate. Start by signing in to Docusign. Once you're in, head straight to templates. This is where reusable document blueprints live, and using a template is the key to consistency and speed. Create a new template and give it a clear name and description so teammates can find and understand it later. If your process has multiple signers, set up recipient roles now. Roles let you reuse the template with different people each time. Next, upload your docs file and choose Agreement Template Builder. This builder recognizes your document structure and gives you powerful controls to automate content. Think of it as the place where you connect your document to the data it needs. Now, place sender fields wherever you want dynamic data to appear. These are values the sender provides at send time, things like company name, addresses, dates, or pricing. Match each field to the right type, like text, numbers, or dates, and add helpful labels and default values to reduce errors. If a value is essential, mark it required so the sender can't skip it. With the basics in place, add advanced logic. Conditional content lets you show or hide sections based on a value, perfect for toggling optional clauses or switching between agreement types. Dynamic tables are ideal for lists like line items. They expand to fit what you provide on each send. Keep your conditions readable and testable by using clear field names and simple rules. If multiple conditions must be true, group them carefully so your logic runs exactly as intended. Before you publish, always use preview, enter realistic sample data, try different scenarios, and confirm that fields, conditional text, and tables all render correctly. Check page breaks, fonts, spacing, and numbering so the final document looks professional. If something doesn't align, adjust your fields or logic and preview again until the output matches your intent. When everything looks right, save and publish your template. From here on, you'll be able to generate clean, accurate documents in minutes with less manual editing and fewer mistakes. That's how you create a perfect DocuSign document every time.